skin, each one humming a small machine of fear. I drink the air too quickly, and it whispers my name wrong. My pulse folds into paper cranes, fluttering against the walls of thought. Every heartbeat is a confession. I didn't mean to write. I hold my breath like currency. The clock stares, I'm blinking, a jealous god of seconds. I wanna melt into a softer element, something without edges, without needing to explain it.